Hi everybody, my name is Kutab and I'm going to show you a quick video mode of Ratchet. And now Ratchet, if you want to take this part off, the instruction really says you can if you want, but no, I don't want to though. I like it that way, and I want it the way I like it. And he has gold. He has lights, gold, and he has his head right there, and then these are his legs, and he doesn't have lights at the back. This part is broken, and this one is broken, and this is a quick one. You open that part, and this part you do like that, and then that picks up, and you see on the other side, and you see, these doors. You have to open those, and then you have to get this out. This is the old version, and I really like the old version. I like the way he looks in the old version. That's nice. Now, there you go. Now you do that, and then you get press this part, and then your feet come out. Now, that's it. It's working, isn't it? And you can see I'm doing it proper. And then you can see if I do like that, and then if I turn these foots like that, then if I do like that, then I do like that, and then if I do that, and there you go, and do that, and there you go, hit that, there you go. Now his arm breaks, and if you have to take him off, then he jumps into a car, and then if you put, and his arms get stuck, and the tires don't move, and there you go, there he is, Ratchet. If I'm moving like this, would you be able to see it? Can you see it now? Can you really see that? Let me just fix it. Just bend it. Let me make it straight. Like that. Look, he's verified. I'm verified. My name is Ratchet. I'm gonna kill people. I can kill you guys. I'm really strong. Oh, bitch, rock. Rah! There you go. There he is, Ratchet. Hi, Ratchet. My name is Kutab. Alright, very nice. Isn't it? Do you see Ratchet now? Turn it into a car. Easy, simple. Just the way we've done it. My video mode just pulled off. That was the thing. And now you see those, and you have to take it on the first thing. And there you go. That's it. And now turn his legs like that. Don't know why my video mode just pulled off. That. That's the good thing now. Like that. So working. Actually, there you go. There you go. That's it. Now you see this. Turn it around. You have to turn it this round. Don't know why my video just. You have to turn that around, and then you have to do that. There you go. And then you do the other why I like it. And then there you go. And then there you go. It's working, is it? You're working. There you go. Now turn this on. Different, and then now it even looks different as well. See now? This is how I'll keep it now. Right now, so the part is fixed. There you go, there it is. What's your name? What? My name is Walid. Cool him. Now make it like there you go. There it is. Ratchet. And I like the way he looks now. He looks so nice. So nice. And he looks so nice. Look at it, and it's so nice. Look at the back. That part I told you it was broken. Then this side. That's the front. See you tomorrow, everyone. Bye bye.